One of the easiest ways to make your car handle is with a Rekudo front sway bar. It can be one of the most dramatic improvements you can make to your car's handling. When your car makes a turn, it tends to lean to the outside, causing body roll, which can be severe with a stock suspension. Rekudo sway bars apply force to each side of the suspension to resist leaning, giving you a tighter, more confident turn. Rekudo sway bars use the stock mounting points for a factory fit. The tubular cold-rolled steel reduces weight, while the 1 3/8 diameter bar cuts body roll and stiffens up the front suspension. Polyurethane frame and end links come into play immediately, unlike rubber, which compresses. There's no need to worry about polyurethane squeaking. With the built-in Zerk fitting, you can actually grease the bushing. Rekudo sway bars come in a durable black powder coat finish. Best of all, they bolt in place of your Camaro, Firebird, or Nova stabilizer bar. It's an improvement you'll feel immediately after you take that first turn. Carve the roads with Rekudo. To see our full suspension line, go to Holley.com.